Bitrue Exchange app. The pros, the cons. The Bitrue Exchange app is a cryptocurrency platform focused on altcoin diversity and rewards programs. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another exchange, but the surprising truth is that it combines trading, staking and cashback features in one app. Pros include support for hundreds of cryptocurrencies, instant buy-sell options and PowerPiggy, Bitrue's interest earning program. Users can stake coins for additional rewards, and the app offers real-time charts and notifications. Security is robust with two-factor authentication, cold storage and withdrawal limits. Cons include a slightly complex interface for beginners and limited fiat deposit options compared to larger exchanges. Some altcoin liquidity can also be lower than on major exchanges. In conclusion, the Bitrue Exchange app is ideal for users looking for altcoin exposure, staking rewards and cashback benefits. It's a secure and versatile platform that caters to both casual and semi-professional crypto enthusiasts.